sensitive. The identity has now been released on the second body found inside a burned-out Horseshoe Tavern in Northwest Schiller Park, where the owner was found beaten to death last week. Police say the second victim has been identified as 61-year-old Wendy Bonder of Schiller Park, a regular patron of the tavern, also possibly a part-time bartender. It's believed she died of blunt force trauma.
There's our blizzard.
The owner, 67-year-old George McCopolis, was found dead in the building shortly after a fire.
It's all snow getting blown out.
The fire was determined to be arson. So far, no arrests have been made.
Look at the flags. It's just going crazy.
Standoff that erupted this morning on Chicago's northwest side. It is over. 3 people dead, including the gunman. Chicago police were called to the scene around 9 a.m. on a report of a shooting in the 3200 block of West Hirsch. They say an armed man shot 2 women and barricaded himself inside a second-story apartment. One of the victims was taken to Mount Sinai Hospital for critical condition, where she later died. The other woman was found dead on the scene, and the gunman also killed, apparently of a self-inflicted gunshot wound. Police say it may have been some sort of domestic dispute. We have a lot more news ahead, including more weather checks coming your way as we
Can't see the lake because it's all covered up with this blowing snow. All that white is snow being blown away.
Find out where the brake lights start before you hit the gas. Up-to-the-minute traffic info every afternoon. Commutercast, CLTV, local, around the clock.
At J.G. Wentworth, we say get cash now for your structured settlement.
J.G. Wentworth? Cash now?
It's your money. Use it when you need it.
J.G. Wentworth is right. It's my money and I need it now.
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 If you have a structured settlement and you need cash now, J.G. Wentworth can help. We'll buy all or part of your structured settlement for a lump sum cash amount, so you can pay bills that have...
See, that's how bad the wind is. Look at the flags.
Call J.G. Wentworth now and speak to one of our structured settlement specialists. You'll get a no-cost appraisal and have all of your questions answered. The call is free and there's no obligation.
It's my money and I need it now.
It's your money. Use it when you need it.
Call 1-866-429-6202. 1-866-429-6202.
Attention those on Medicare with diabetes. You may be eligible for an upgraded meter.
If you're tired of stabbing your fingertips to test your blood glucose, we have news that can change your life.
So this is about 2:30 in the afternoon.
Then you need to know there's an alternative method.
And supposedly the snow is going to keep falling and blowing till tomorrow at 3 in the afternoon. So we'll see. It's supposed to be accumulating at least 2 feet of snow. So.
This method hurts less, and because you can see and hear your results, it may be easier to understand.
Your blood glucose reading is 89.
Call now and find out why. Newly